Hey guys, so today I'll be making cheesy chicken enchiladas using County Fair's fresh chicken breast, and I'll be serving it with some guacamole. So all you need to do is cube your chicken breasts, but you can of course slice them if you prefer, or cook them whole and then shred them afterwards. And now we're going to prepare our filling and literally just fry up our chicken with some spices and onions. Now once the onions have gone nice and golden, add in your garlic, paprika and ground coriander. Look at that beautiful color. So now I'm going to add in my chicken, but remember, cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes. We don't want to overcook this, and we definitely don't want to cook it through because it still needs to go into the oven at the end. All that's left to do is to season, add some fresh coriander and then remove it from the heat. The trick to a great enchilada is of course the perfect enchilada sauce. Now I'm making mine from scratch, and I'm simply going to start off by making a roux using canola oil and flour. Now I'm using equal quantities canola oil and flour, and remember to use a whisk and not a wooden spoon so that you can whisk all those lumps nice and smooth. So once your roux is nice and smooth, you can add in all your other ingredients. So I've got some cumin and garlic powder, which I'll add in, some smoked paprika of course, and then we're going to add in some light brown sugar, tomato puree and our vegetable stock. So we're going to simmer gently for about 5 minutes, and then definitely season some salt and pepper. You can add in some fresh coriander if you like to, and then we can assemble our enchiladas and pop them into the oven. Now remember to always taste your sauce while you're seasoning. Doesn't need more lemon, doesn't need more salt, maybe some pepper. It's all up to your preference. So that enchilada sauce is perfect. Our chicken is ready. So all that's left to do is to fill our flour tortillas with a little bit of our chicken mixture, spoonful of the enchilada sauce and some grated cheese. Now that our flour tortillas are filled, simply cover with the remaining enchilada sauce and then sprinkle generously with a mixture of cheddar cheese and mozzarella. Pop it into the oven at 200 degrees for about 10 to 15 minutes until golden and lovely. This smells absolutely amazing. Now all I'm going to do is sprinkle over some fresh coriander and serve it alongside some lemon wedges and some chunky guacamole. And just like that, you've got cheesy chicken enchiladas made with County Fair's fresh chicken breasts, perfect for any occasion.